you're experiencing issues with the Roblox installation loop, follow these steps to resolve the problem and successfully install the game. Step 1. Uninstall Roblox. Go to your computer's settings and navigate to the Apps section. Find Roblox in the list of installed applications and select it. Click on Uninstall to remove any existing versions of Roblox from your system. Step 2. Clear temporary files. Press the Windows key +R to open the Run dialog. Type %temp% and hit Enter. This will open the temp folder. Select all files in this folder and delete them to clear any temporary files that may be causing conflicts during installation. Step 3. Download the latest Roblox installer. Visit the official Roblox website and locate the download section. Click on the download link to get the latest version of the Roblox installer. Make sure you are downloading from the official site to avoid any potential malware. Step 4. Run the installer as administrator. Locate the downloaded Roblox installer file in your Downloads folder. Right-click on the file and select Run as administrator. This will give the installer the necessary permissions to install Roblox without any interruptions. Step 5. Restart your computer. After the installation process is complete, restart your computer. This will ensure that all changes are applied and that Roblox is properly set up on your system. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the installation loop and enjoy playing Roblox. If issues persist, consider checking the Roblox support page for further assistance.